Hello folks, this is Shane the Shark Man coming to you from Guarantee RV in Junction City. Today we're going to showcase a 2014 Thor Chateau. Great little model, looks fantastic. The paint is really good on it still. It's got the E450 Super Duty engine, quite powerful. Tires are looking really nice as well. This model today, we have a one slider on the driver's side. Has a slide topper over the top, and then coming around, all the windows, by the way, are tinted on this coach. I mean, this is a nice coach. This is, like I said, the 2014 Chateau. Coming around, we have speakers on the outside as well, right underneath on your front patio, as well as an extendable electric awning. On the back end of it, we have storage area that is too big to even talk about. It's just massive. You got to come and see it. It's got many access points. In fact, it's got 3 access points. Got a ladder on the back, and as always, I will not climb on it because we don't want a work comp case. Coming inside, we've got immediately to the right 2 very nice, comfortable recliners. Really nice. Right up above that, we've got your lights and everything in stereo system. We've got cabinets right above that, and then moving forward to the cab, really nice and spacious, nice leather seats. It's got a navigation system in it. Directly above that, it's got a bunk area where you can probably put 3 people or your buddies, you know, your pets and gear, all that stuff. Also, moving back to the dining area, we have a collapsible table. When you fold it down, it turns into a bunk. So there's lots of sleeping space. Really nice. It's the bench seat setup. Moving further in, we've got to the left outside, just before you get in outside by the door, you've got a Seiko entertainment TV, really nice, and underneath it, it's got a place netted to hold your DVDs, Blu-rays, and then directly underneath that, a little place for your keys to hang them. Moving over to the galley, we've got a double sink gooseneck faucet. Right next to that, we've got your 3-burner propane stove and an oven underneath, so can't go wrong with that. Right above that, we've got your Advent microwave. Moving further back, we have a Norcold 3-way, fridge, freezer. Lots of storage space in this. Directly behind that, we have a good-sized bathroom, and it's got a nice full shower in it. Little skylight with a fan. And then moving back into the bedroom area, we've got a nice queen-size bed. On the side, you've got your pull-out drawers. Directly above you, you've got your wardrobe on either side. And, of course, your cabinets above that. Nice tinted window in the back, so when you're laying in bed at the coast, you can just take a look out and check out everything. Then we've got a TV and entertainment center at the foot of the bed. I mean, this coach is fabulous. So, all you have to do is get a hold of me, Shane the Shark Man, here at Guarantee RV. And when I tell you the price, like I always say, feeding frenzy. So get a hold of me. You can look at the information on the page, and they will hook you up with me. Thank you very much. Have a great day.